Samsung just dropped an insane deal, 70% off the brand new Galaxy S25 Ultra and a free pair of Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Yep, you heard that right. But what's the catch? Who can claim this deal? And is the S25 Ultra actually worth it? Stick around and let's break it all down. Samsung's best deal ever, 70% off Galaxy S25 Ultra plus free Buds 3 Pro. Let's start with the biggest question. How does this crazy deal work? Well, here's what Samsung is offering. 70% off the brand new Galaxy S25 Ultra, free Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, Samsung's latest premium wireless earbuds, and it's available for a limited time only. Now, before you rush to the checkout, let's talk about the fine print. This deal is available under Samsung's trade-in program, meaning you'll need to swap an eligible device to unlock the full 70% discount. But even if you don't trade in, the base discount is still huge compared to other flagship launches. So, is the Galaxy S25 Ultra actually worth upgrading to? Let's break it down. Top features of the Galaxy S25 Ultra: 200MP camera upgrade, best-in-class photography, Snapdragon 8, Gen 4, processor lightning-fast performance, 5500 mAh battery all-day power, S Pen integration, the ultimate productivity tool, dynamic AMOLED 2X display, ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. This phone is an absolute beast, especially for content creators, mobile gamers, and anyone who wants the best of Samsung's tech. And with a 70% discount, it's one of the best deals we've ever seen on a flagship device. Oh, and let's not forget, you're getting a free pair of Galaxy Buds 3 Pro with this deal. These earbuds bring studio-quality sound-enhanced bass and crisp audio, AI-powered noise cancellation, block out distractions, long battery life, up to 8 hours of playback per charge, water-resistant, perfect for workouts and daily use. Basically, these aren't just some cheap throw-in, they're premium earbuds that rival some of the best out there. And for free, that's a steal. Alright, so how do you actually get this deal? Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Head to Samsung's official website or a partnered retailer. Step 2. Select the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Step 3. Choose your trade-in device to maximize savings. Step 4. Get the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro for free at checkout. Remember, this is a limited time offer, so if you're thinking about upgrading, act fast before it's gone. So, what do you think? Will you be grabbing this deal? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Social G for more tech news, reviews, and insane deals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates, like this video, if you like it, and share it with your friends to spread knowledge and fun. Your support keeps us going. Let's grow together. Turn on notifications so you never miss another offer.